Shot 1. Introduction to the mysterious black holes. Hey there, my fellow space enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we delve deep into the mysteries that the universe has to offer. Today, we are setting off on an awe-inspiring expedition to unravel the enigma that is a black hole. Strap in and hold on tight as we take you on a journey light years away from our home planet. Are you ready for the adventure of a lifetime? Visual imagery of a spiral galaxy with a zoom-in effect towards a black hole. Black holes have fascinated scientists and astronomers for centuries, captivating our imaginations with their immense gravitational pull and ability to swallow up everything in their path. But what lies beyond their event horizon? Can we really understand the uncharted territory that lies within these cosmic objects? Well, let's find out together. Shot 2. The event horizon, the point of no return. As we approach a black hole, the first mind-bending concept we encounter is the event horizon. This invisible boundary marks the point of no return, where the gravitational pull becomes so intense that not even light can escape. It's like a cosmic vacuum cleaner, sucking in everything within its reach. Just try to wrap your head around that. Visual, animated representation of a swirling event horizon. Scientists believe that anything crossing the event horizon is doomed to be crushed into an infinitely dense singularity at the center of the black hole. This singularity defies our understanding of physics, as our current laws break down under such extreme conditions. It's like entering a realm where the rules we thought we knew no longer apply. Mind blown. Shot 3. Spaghettification, a stretching reality. Hold on to your seats because things are about to get even weirder. As an object gets closer to the singularity, it experiences an extreme tidal force known as spaghettification. Just like boiling noodles, the immense gravity stretches and compresses the object as if it were made of rubber. Can you imagine being transformed into a cosmic spaghetti strand? It's both fascinating and terrifying. Visual representation of a person or object being stretched and distorted. Shot 4. Time dilation, the slowing of time. Here's where things take an even more mind-blowing turn. Near the event horizon, time itself becomes distorted due to the intense gravitational field. This phenomenon, known as time dilation, means that time appears to slow down for an outside observer. So, if you were unlucky enough to fall into a black hole, from your perspective, time would seem to slow down while the rest of the universe carries on at its normal pace. Trippy, isn't it? Visual. Clocks ticking at different speeds, showing the distortion of time. Shot 5. Beyond the event horizon, the singularity. And now, dear viewers, we approach the point of no return. Beyond the event horizon lies the singularity, a place where our laws of physics cease to exist. It's a mind-bending concept that challenges our very understanding of reality. At this point, the object is crushed into an infinitely small point, surrounded by a gravitational force of unimaginable strength. What happens next? Well, that remains one of the greatest unsolved mysteries of our universe. Visual, abstract representation of the singularity, showcasing its intense gravitational pull. Shot 6. Conclusion? Now, before we conclude this mind-blowing odyssey, I must remind you that everything we've discussed so far is based on our current understanding and theories. Exploring the mysteries inside a black hole is a challenge that pushes the boundaries of human knowledge and imagination. But that's the beauty of science and exploration, the thrill of the unknown. Visual, majestic imagery of distant galaxies and space exploration missions. Suggested video titles. 1. Unlocking the Secrets, a journey inside a black hole. 2. Beyond the event horizon, unveiling the mysteries of black holes. 3. Into the Cosmic Abyss, exploring the uncharted territory of black holes. 4. Black Holes Unveiled, a deep dive into the unknown. 5. Cosmic Wonders, journeying through the mysterious depths of black holes. Video description. Embark on an extraordinary adventure as we explore the secrets inside a black hole. Join our popular YouTube channel as we unravel the mind-bending concepts of space-time distortion, gravitational forces, and what lies beyond the event horizon. Hold on tight and get ready to expand your horizons with our thrilling exploration of the unknown. Don't miss out on this mind-blowing journey into the depths of black holes. Subscribe now.